Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatible hardware and the minimal resources so installation won't fail. Once done, sign in with admin rights and open the vendor portal or your enterprise app store. Enter your product key or account credentials when prompted. This authenticates the web app license. Download the installer or progressive web app package now and save it to a known folder. If an installer offers components, choose the web runtime and browser integration options so the Fc25 Web App runs smoothly after initial setup. Run the installer with elevated privileges and follow prompts to install the web runtime and required browser helper. During setup, allow browser permissions for cookies, pop-ups, and local storage so sessions persist and features work. Configure network settings next. Add proxy credentials if needed, open firewall ports or create exceptions, and set API endpoints to your environment. Make sure to test authentication and token exchange in a private browser window. This verifies the app backend communicates correctly before you proceed to finalize settings. Finish first-run configuration by creating your profile, setting preferences, and connecting necessary integrations like single sign-on or data connectors. Once configured, verify core features. Successful login, real-time data sync, and push or email notifications. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Clear browser cache and local storage, then reload. If issues persist, open the browser console to capture errors and restart related services or the web runtime. This sequence quickly isolates most deployment and runtime problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.